Welcome back, my fellow viewer. Today, we are diving deep into the secrets of success. Have you ever wondered what traits and habits successful people share? Well, you're in luck because, in this video, we'll unveil the top characteristics common to all successful individuals. So, if you're eager to achieve greatness in your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. 1. Clear goals and vision. One of the first things shared by successful people is having clear and specific goals. They know precisely what they want to achieve, and they craft a vision that guides them towards success. Setting achievable milestones helps them stay focused and motivated on their journey. 2. Perseverance and resilience. Success doesn't come easy, and that's where perseverance comes into play. Successful people are persistent, they don't give up when faced with challenges. They bounce back from failures with a resilient spirit, learning from their mistakes and using them as stepping stones to move forward. 3. Continuous learning. Lifelong learning is a trademark of successful individuals. They have an insatiable thirst for knowledge and are always looking to expand their horizons. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or learning from mentors, they never stop growing. 4. Time management. Time is a valuable asset, and successful people know how to manage it effectively. They prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and avoid wasting time on unproductive activities. Their ability to stay organized and focused allows them to make the most out of each day. 5. Positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential on the road to success. Successful people believe in their abilities and maintain an optimistic outlook, even during challenging times. A positive attitude helps them stay motivated and encourages them to keep pushing forward. 6. Taking calculated risks. Success often involves taking risks, but it's not about being reckless. Successful individuals carefully evaluate the potential rewards and consequences before making decisions. They step out of their comfort zone to embrace opportunities that can lead to significant achievements. 7. Networking and building relationships. No one achieves greatness alone. Networking and building strong relationships are vital for success. Successful people understand the value of learning from others, gaining support, and collaborating to open up new doors of opportunity. 8. Passion and purpose. True success comes when you're passionate about what you do. Successful people follow their hearts and find purpose in their work. Their dedication and commitment are fueled by their deep love for what they're pursuing. 9. Embracing failure and learning. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Successful individuals don't fear it, instead, they embrace it as a chance to learn and grow. They use setbacks as valuable lessons to improve and become better versions of themselves. 10. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is a crucial trait of successful people. They can resist distractions and maintain focus on their goals, which helps them make consistent progress in their endeavors. And there you have it, the common traits shared by all successful individuals. So, if you want to achieve your dreams, remember to set clear goals, persevere through challenges, and maintain a positive mindset. Continuously learn and improve yourself, take calculated risks, and build strong relationships. Let your passion and purpose guide you, and don't be afraid of failure, but instead, use it as a stepping stone. Lastly, practice self-discipline, and success will be within your reach. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.